Hi everyone, now see in our practical next experiment is the voltage to frequency converter by using the IC LM331. Okay, in that the LM331 IC is basically a precision voltage to frequency converter with 1 Hz to the 100 kilohertz full scale frequency. Okay, so here use the voltage to frequency converter IC LM331. Okay, the IC has a handful of applications like a analog to digital conversion, long term integrations, voltage to frequency conversion or frequency to voltage conversion. Okay, in these three different applications by using these different applications done by using the IC LM331. Okay, in this IC wide dynamic range and excellent linearity make the IC well suitable for the different applications. Okay, here the LM331 is wired as a voltage to frequency converter which converts the input voltage into a proportional frequency which is extremely linear to the input voltage. Okay, in our experiment input provide the voltage and output is convert to the frequency by using this LM331. Okay, and this input voltage is extremely linear to the output frequency is extremely linear to the input voltage. So these our experiments aim is to study the voltage to frequency converter by using the IC LM331. Then by use different apparatus or electronic components. Here use CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, by using the observe the output waveforms. Then power supply. Here in our experiment apply the plus 5 volt power supply. Then IC LM331, different values of the resistors, different values of the capacitors, okay, etc. These different apparatus which are used in a given experiment voltage to frequency converter. Now see the circuit connection or circuit diagram of our experiment. Here see the LM331. First we see the in a LM331 pinout diagram. Okay, see in this pinout diagram of LM331. Okay, in this LM331 is the DIP model, dual inline package model. Okay, this IC is the 8 pin IC. In that the first pin in notch here in notch first notch right side first pin is the 1 number, then 2, 3, 4, and the second side is the 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in this IC's 1 number pin is the used in a current output. Okay, then 2 number pin is used in a reference current. Then 3rd number pin is used in a frequency output. 4th number pin is used in a ground. Then 5th number pin is used in a RC, resistor control. Then 6th number pin is a threshold pin. Then 7th number pin is used in a comparator input, and 8th number pin is the VS. VS is the VCC, that means they used in a power supply. Okay, now see in the connection diagram of our experiment. Here used the LM331. In this LM331 different pins designed by using the different values of the resistors as well as the capacitors. Okay, so here pin number 7 here in म्हटले बघा input comparator input in pin here connected parallelly connected resistor and capacitor. Capacitor is the 0.1 microfarad which are connected in a ground. Then here one resistor is used. Then 6 number pin is the threshold pin which are connected in a parallelly connected 100 kilo ohm resistor REL and 1 microfarad capacitor, and which are connected in a parallelly and commonly connected one resistor 47 kilo ohm resistor, and this resistor is connected in a ground. Then 2 number pin of IC is connected a resistor connected through the variable resistor, that means the here pot SKC in your circuit diagram, and which are connected in a ground. Then 4 number pin is the always ground in our IC. Then 1 number pin is the current output, ISW current output, which are connected in a again ground pin, commonly connected to the 2 or 4 numbers and commonly connected to the ground. Then RC is the which are connected in a series connected resistor and capacitor. And this resistor capacitor is connected in a ground, and series connected resistor 6.8 kilo ohm. This resistor is the RT resistor, and this resistor is connected in a 8 number pin, that means the VCC. Again 3 number is the frequency output. Okay, this frequency output which are here output is observed, that is the F out, and again 10 kilo ohm resistor which are connected in a supply in 8 number pin here. Then 8 number pin which are connected in one capacitor, and this capacitor is grounded. Okay, in this way this circuit diagram is here shown in our experiment. Then second formula, in this formula used in a calculate the output frequency. F out is equal to phi in into RS upon 2.09 into RL into RT CT. In that the phi in, then RS, RL, RT and CT, these different resistors or capacitors value which are used in our experiment circuit diagram. Okay, आपल्या सर्किट डायग्राम मध्ये जे रेजिस्टरच्या व्हॅल्यू आपण यूज केलेले आहेत, दॅट मीन्स द RS, RL, RT अँड CT, त्या व्हॅल्यू आपण ह्या फॉर्म्युलामध्ये यूज करून F आउट आउटपुट फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपण काय करणार आहोत, कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आहोत. ओके, then observation table. In the observation table you have observe the different input voltage, apply the different voltages, then measure or observe the output waveform. These output waveforms observe the time, and these times we have calculate the frequency, that is the output frequency F out. Okay, in by using the power supply, here apply the different voltages. Okay, see these chart here apply the different voltage 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5 to 11, but here we have applied to the 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, in this way up to the 10 or 12 voltages which are the input voltage. Okay, P in, and output is observed on the CRO. In CRO observe the output waveforms, and these waveforms I think square waveforms, and these square waveforms observe the time in a microsecond. Okay, see in our chart, in this way the observe the time, and these times we have calculate the frequency, that is the 1 upon T output frequency F out. In this way the different input, apply the input voltage and observe the output waveform on a CRO. Okay, then calculation, here calculate the output frequency F out is equal to by using this formula, and in these formulas we have put on the resistors or capacitors value. See, in this way they calculate the F out frequency. Then result is from the graph, as phi in input voltage increases, then the F out output frequency is increases. This we studied to output voltage this we studied to voltage to frequency converter by using the LM331. That means in short, in our experiment when the input voltage is increased, then output voltage is again increases. That means the which is the extremely linear to the output voltage output frequency, which is extremely linear to the input voltage by using the LM331. Okay, in our experiment we have observed the different readings, and this by using these different readings we have here draw the graph. This graph is the input voltage versus the output frequency. In this way graph is draw, in our observation table. Okay, I think this voltage to frequency converter by using IC LM331, these experiments charts are explained in a detail here. Then next, these experiments we have done in our laboratory in next lecture. So I think I think you got it, all of you, this experiment chart. Okay, thank you all of you, and stop here.